My SAP colleagues. Today we will see about SAP ABAP. What ABAP? ABAP is Advanced Business Application Programming for Data Processing. It's nothing but the programming language which is used in building SAP. Like we have many languages like C, C++, Java, Python. So SAP uses its own proprietary language that is called ABAP. ABAP had a very big history, and it started as a procedural coding and it turned to object-oriented coding. And SAP itself is built on this whole ABAP. So what is special about ABAP? In ABAP we have a special concept called internal table, which normally we don't have in other languages. So what's the concept of internal table? So as we discussed already, in SAP we have is a three-tier architecture. We have a separate database layer, application layer, info center, and then presentations layer. So the data in our database server will be brought to the application server, it will be processed, and then it will be displayed in the output. So here the data which is in the database layer, we are pulling it in from the database and putting it in the application server. So where we will place the data from the database server into the application server. That is the place we call it as internal table. It's a temporary table. It will be available only during the runtime. We will fetch only the necessary data from the database and put it in the internal table, process it in the internal table, and give the output. Since ERP, we are going to deal with a huge volume of data to prepare a report. We want to do processing a huge volume of data. It's not a single record, or we are pulling data one by one. No. We are pulling a set of records. Suppose say we want to display a report for a particular region. Then what we need? We need the sales. Suppose it's a sales report, we need only the sales data of a particular region. So from the whole database, we are going to pull sales data of a particular region for a particular period in which we are. We'll pull the data, put it in the internal table,